Namaskar doston, and a very good morning to all of you. So friends, if you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe and like, share, subscribe to this channel and share this video to all of your friends and family mates. So this video is going to be very helpful for you for the knowledge of multi-level marketing and what are the things we need to do in network marketing, or what are the ingredients to do multi-level marketing. So this is a second video part in English training for the series of video which I have told you in the previous video. So in the previous video we have discussed about what are the ethics and what are the values of network marketing. So today we will going to discuss about what are the ingredients and what are the things need to know about doing network marketing. Before we have to start this network marketing, we should know all the ingredients which we should implement, or we should inject in ourselves, so that we can do network marketing in a very nice and in a very easy manner. So let's start this video. So friends, the very first thing we need to know that just focus on any one application and any one direction. Just have focus on only one work, or only one way, or on a one path, and get stick to it and just work for it. So friends, I have seen many people, they are using ForaBet or the Dream11 application or Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, but trust me friends, I have used all these 4 and 5 applications, and I have spent a lot of time, I have spent a lot of money on that, but I have faced many loss. Many times I have faced I have wasted my time, I have wasted my money on these application and platforms. So like many of us, we are using Dream11, many of us, we are using Bitcoin or forex trade or anything. But tell me one thing, are these platforms are permanent way for income, or from those applications are we implementing ourselves, are we injecting any something good, or any motivational thoughts, any motivational speeches, or are we performing very well in speaking skills or negotiation skills? Are we getting some objection handling skills from all these applications? These applications are nothing but just totally wastage of time and wastage of money. Many of us, we are implementing our brain or implementing our skills on those applications. Like I have many friends, they are getting a very nice much amount from these applications, like ForaBet application or cryptocurrency or Bitcoin, or like you say Dream11 or my play circle or circle like applications. So these applications are nice for earning, but these applications are not a permanent earning source or source of earning, like that thing. So my thinking is that, like if we are using any application, so if that application is not creating revenue related to your life, or to a permanent revenue creation circle, or permanent, like you can say what, like multi-level marketing is like that thing, that you have started the multi-level marketing and you are getting earned, then afterwards your generation or generation, they can also earn. But if you are using a Dream11 or ForaBet or my circle or play circle or any circle, like Bitcoin or cryptocurrency like thing, so tell me one thing, by chance if you get died, then what will be the value of that application? Either your wife or mother, father or family or your kid gonna play that 11 Dream11 or use that ForaBet or Bitcoin. See, money making is a very nice thing. Without money you can't reach anywhere, that is true. But money making with helping others, with gaining some values of life, with gaining some ethics of life, with giving and sharing the knowledge, that is something else. Even I have played Dream11, even I have used Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. I have knowledge about them. I've invested many times in share marketing as well, and mutual fund also. But these are nothing. These are just like in Hindi we used to say जुआ. These things are like जुआ. ये जुआ है, सिर्फ जुआ है, इससे ज्यादा कुछ भी नहीं है. सो अगर हम कहीं पे जुआ खेलते हैं, पैसा लगाते हैं, फिर लालच आता है, फिर हम और पैसा लगाते हैं और लालच आता है, सो वी आर डूइंग नथिंग, जस्ट वेस्टिंग आवर मनी एंड वेस्टिंग आवर टाइम. For some time, for some instance, we can get money, but after that, what will be the value of that money? If you don't have knowledge skills, if you don't have speaking skills, if you don't have negotiation skills, if you don't have the values and ethics in you, if you don't have the knowledge of 28 states, if you don't have the knowledge of a person, what they want and what is the value of his life, and what are the purpose, what should be the purpose of his life, then what will be the value of that money? So it's my humble request to everyone, do invest your money in a right way, in right platform, in a nice application. Don't waste your time in Forabet or Jua type of applications. These are nothing, they are just wasting your time, nothing else. So friends, just be safe from this cryptocurrency or Bitcoin and Dream 11 life like of things. Just don't waste your time. Just come out of from those things and those applications and just use your mind in a well way and make a network, create a team, create a bond, create a relationship. That relationship, that bond will help you to lead to success and help you to grow in your life. So that is the very important thing. If you are, okay, like example, if I am using application like cryptocurrency or Bitcoin or any investment platform I'm using, so at the end of the day, what I'm getting from that application? Only money. And money can buy happiness, that's true. But I'm not getting any teammates, I'm not getting any of the circle, I'm not creating any value of my life, I'm not creating any value for others' life as well. I'm not motivating someone else. So what will be the value of that money? I'm investing my money, I'm investing my time on that application, but that application is not at all helping for others, just for creating money. That application is helping for creating money, not for motivating others. So friends, I will tell you one thing. One motivator is there. He have millions of followers. His name is Nick Vujicic. Nick Vujicic. He is from USA, Canada or something, or somewhere else. I don't know the proper location. You can just Google his name. You can just type Nick Vujicic. He doesn't have his hands and legs, but still he is the great motivator. He is a great motivator from USA. So he always tell about the three things. First, what you are being on this earth, what you are doing right now. Ask yourself what you are and why you are here on this earth. Second, just ask yourself what is the purpose of your life. What is the purpose of your life? Just search for a purpose and work for it. And third thing, you have spent a lot of time on this earth. So what you have created for the human being, and what you have created and what you have donated to the personals, and what you have created a new thing, or what you have generated anything for this livelihood. Are you creating anything? Are you created any nice thing or nice innovation? So you have to work for your innovation, for your creation, for the motivation, inspiration, aspiration. You have to be motivated always, and you have to be energetic always, so that you can change your life and you can make other person's life. Success is not that you are getting money, you have a nice house, you have a nice car, or you have a nice bike, or luxury life or luxury lifestyle. Success is all about, you have to change your mindset. You have to know about the values of your life. You have to change the ethics of your life. You have to change the values of your life and some others' life as well. You have to get success in your life, and you have to make other person success. We have to become success in our life, and as well as we have to make other person success as well. So this is the thing. So we have to work like this energy, we have to work like this mentality. Then only we can create a change in Indian market, and we can create a India a superpower country. We are wasting time on PUBG, we are wasting time on YouTube, we are wasting time on Netflix, we are wasting time on Dream 11, we are wasting time on cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, anything. How we can become a powerful country, powerful nation? Tell me. In this pandemic situation, India is facing a lot, in the terms of economic, in the terms of death, in the terms of unemployment, in the terms of salary crisis. Many persons have lost their jobs, many persons have lost their lives, and we are just wasting our electricity of our house, and just we are sitting doing nothing, just sitting idle and just playing PUBG or BGMI, that battleground or something name is there of that PUBG application. It has been banned by India, but again somehow it have launched. So tell me one thing, guys. So what is the value of our life? We are wasting electricity, we are wasting our time, we are playing PUBG, we are watching TikTok videos, we are making a videos or small clips. I've seen many girls, they are in the another hallucination world, or they are in just another aura. See, I am not discriminating any girl or any video by this video message. I am just clearing one doubt and one thing, that if you are creating a video, your video should be like that video can inspire someone, that video can do something great and something change in the life. You are creating a video and you are dancing like anything, you are just, your facial expressions are like hell out of thing, like what's going on, I also don't know, God also don't know, and that application also don't know, that editing software also don't know what's going on and what's wrong with it. Background there is a music, and that girl is pouting or shouting or anything is happening. So who will got inspired from that video? Tell me one thing. And for boys, I have seen many of the boys, they have put anything in their WhatsApp status. Sad stories, sad sairis, and sad anything, saddest line. Do one thing, भाई कुछ ऐसा चीज डालिए जो अच्छा हो, जो इंस्पायर्ड हो, इंस्पायरिंग हो. सी, मेरे को भी इतना अच्छा इंग्लिश है, इतना अच्छा हिंदी नहीं आता है, बट कुछ ऐसा कीजिए जिससे लोग देख करके आपको इंस्पायर हो. कुछ ऐसा कीजिए जिससे लोग आपको देख के हताश ना हो, निराश ना हो, आपको देख के लगे कि हाँ यार ये हैप्पी है, कितना अच्छा है. बनाइए, वीडियो बनाइए, कोई बुराई नहीं है, लेकिन कुछ ऐसे वीडियोस भी बनाइए जिससे समाज में कोई एक मैसेज जाए, समाज में एक इंस्पिरेशन आए, समाज को कुछ करना हो उठ करके. इन दिस लॉकडाउन एवरीवन हैज टाइम, एवरीवन इज फ्री, nobody has a job, but everyone is making a video of dancing, video of voice over and anything. यार आप लड़का हो और लड़की हो, either you being a boy or girl, if you are making a video for WhatsApp status for 30 seconds, do something great, do something change for the nation, do something so that video can inspire someone to do something big in their life for getting success. वीडियो बनाने में कोई मना नहीं है यार. फोन आपका है, एडिटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर आपका है, मैं कौन होता हूं बोलने वाला? आई एम नोबडी. अब मैं डिस्क्रिमिनेट भी नहीं कर रहा हूं. आप बनाइए, वीडियो बनाइए, बट ऐसा वीडियो बनाइए जो लोगों को इंस्पायर कर सके, जो लोगों को, यूथ को मोटिवेट कर सके. ठीक है दोस्तों, सो ये फॉलो कीजिए, फॉलो दीज थिंग्स, मेक अ नाइस वीडियो, मेक एन इंस्पायरिंग वीडियो, मेक अ वीडियो so that video can create a change, create a revolution in your friend circle first, and then your friend circle will change, then India will change, definitely. Okay, so follow this thing. So friends, after that, like we have to go for a permanent success, or we have to go for a way from that we can get a permanent success in their life, and it will take time, but it will give you a last long success and last long happiness. So if we are using any application like Bitcoin or cryptocurrency or ForaBet or Forex Bet or anything, so from where we invest money and from the return we only get money only. Nothing to do with knowledge, nothing to do with the values of life, nothing to do with the ethics, nothing to do with the smartness, nothing to do with the education skills, speaking skills, objection handling skills, negotiation skills, nothing. Only money. So with this money, what you can do? You can have a nice you can have a nice bike, or you can have a nice car, or you can have a nice house, but what will be the value and worth of that if you are not able to speak, not able to inspire someone, not able to inspire your kid as well? So after birth of your kid, then he will also search for a job, and he will also he doesn't have a knowledge of inspiration, aspiration, or speaking skills. And that's how our life is lagging behind, our generation is lagging behind, friends. So friends, be serious for your life, and be serious for your dreams, and be serious for your goals. See, I have created this video on the topic of the ingredients for multi-level marketing, but these are the things they stopped us to do work on our success, to do work on our dreams of life. We all are getting distracted by WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagrams, and all those kind of creepy, weirdo, cringe videos. And we all are getting distracted by these applications like Dream11, My Play Circle, or cryptocurrency, or Bitcoin. Friends, just remove all these things from your life. Just focus on only one thing, only one work. I'm not telling you to join this multi-level marketing or AWPL or any company. I am just telling you, just follow your dream. Either you want to become a singer, then be a nice singer. Either you want to be a coding person, then become a developer. Either if you want to join Google or Accenture type of companies, just work for it. Just work hard for it. Just crack the examination, crack the interview of TCS or Infosys or Google or Genpact or Cognizant. Just go for it. Just achieve that success. Just achieve that job. I'm telling you to do these things. Not telling you to just invest your money in investing the money and time in these hell type of application. That is wastage of time, nothing else. If you are making a video, make a nice video so that that video can inspire someone. If you are investing your money or time, so invest your money or time on that person or that application. That application or that person should value your life or should value for you. These are the things. And then only we can change the youth, and then only we can change our India. Getting my point? So friends, after that, so as I said, it will take time, but it will give you a last long success. So what is the meaning of success? Success means the value of your mind, the value of your words, and the value of your life, and the purpose of your life. So set the purpose of your life, and just please don't waste time on the other applications or waste type of persons. Just use your mind, use your time on the valuable person and valuable applications. Okay friends, so as I said before, I'm going to tell you about what are the ingredients which we need for multi-level marketing. So I have to tell you these things. I want to tell you these things because these are the lagging points. These are the things which we are doing mistake in this. So like about I have seen many persons status, WhatsApp status. So they used to do motivate, like they have put it the video of Messi or Ronaldo or Sushant Singh Rajput or any of the celebrity. So if you are not successful, quote my words, if you are not successful, even you are not doing anything for your income and don't have that much fear for your family or livelihood, that in pandemic situation, how could I go to do the job? How could I get the income, or how could I generate the revenue for my family, for running my family smoothly? So if you are not successful, if you are not getting any income, or if you don't have any source of income, but You are wasting your time by playing PUBG or doing something any other work, and still you are posting the videos of Messi and Ronaldo and so on. What will be the benefit for it? Tell me. I have seen many people, they are just, if you are a very big fan of a football, then do post for सुनील छेत्री यार. सुनील छेत्री जी के पोस्ट डालिए आप. सुनील छेत्री जी इतने अच्छे फुटबॉलर हैं. मैसी से ज़्यादा उनकी रैंकिंग है. मैसी से ज़्यादा उन्होंने रिकॉर्ड तोड़े हैं. मैसी से ज़्यादा जो है धांसू प्लेयर हैं. मैसी से ज़्यादा क्या, मैसी भी बहुत अच्छा खेलते हैं, बट मैसी से भी बहुत अच्छा है. लियोनेल मैसी से भी बहुत अच्छे उनके रिकॉर्ड्स हैं. आप विदेशों के लोगों को प्रमोट कर रहे हो, इंडिया के लोगों को प्रमोट क्यों नहीं कर रहे भाई? मुझे ये बात बताओ. आप स्टडी नहीं कर रहे हैं, आप पढ़ाई लिखाई नहीं कर रहे हैं, आप पूरा दिन पबजी खेल रहे हैं, आप पूरा दिन गेम खेल रहे हैं, पूरा दिन आप मैसी के, रोनाल्डो के वीडियोस पोस्ट कर रहे हैं व्हाट्सएप में. what will be the benefit for it? If you are posting the video of MS Dhoni, if you are posting a video of Messi, if you are posting a video of Ronaldo, so do something like them also, na? If you are just playing PUBG, you are just wasting your time, you are wasting the electricity of your house, and you are just wasting your time on WhatsApp and just posting all those videos and just getting happy. So what will be the benefit for it? Tell me. What is the benefit for it? If you are motivated to do something, then do something in your life. Go for that aim. Achieve that aim. Achieve that goal. Then only, then you can share all of these things. See, पोस्ट करना गलत नहीं है. आप पोस्ट कीजिए, रोनाल्डो जी के वीडियोस पोस्ट कीजिए, मैसी जी के वीडियोस पोस्ट कीजिए, सब कुछ पोस्ट कीजिए. नथिंग इज रॉन्ग विद दोज वीडियोस. मैं आपको वो पोस्ट या वीडियोस पोस्ट करने के लिए मना नहीं कर रहा हूं. मैं बस ये कह रहा हूं कि यार वो लोगों ने बहुत मेहनत किया है. मैसी सर की जिंदगी, रोनाल्डो सर की जिंदगी, धोनी सर की जिंदगी, सुनील छेत्री जी की जिंदगी को आप एक बार पढ़िए, एक बार जानिए कहां किस स्क्रैप से उठ करके आए हैं. वो स्क्रैप से उठ करके कहां तक पहुंचे हैं वो लोग. बहुत गर्दिश वाली जिंदगी में जीते थे, बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स की जिंदगी में जीते थे. आज वहां से लेकर वहां तक उन्होंने वो सफर तय किया. लेकिन आप क्या कर रहे हो? You are just posting all those videos on your WhatsApp status, on your Facebook, and just you are playing PUBG and doing nothing, sitting idle. You are just sitting idle and doing nothing, just wasting your time, wasting your money, wasting the electricity of your house, and just your mother is shouting on you, your father is shouting on you, and just all those things are happening, and just you are wasted your life on doing all of the things. So just you have wasted your life on these things, friends. And then afterwards you are sharing all these motivational videos on your status. So what is the benefit for it? Tell me friends. This is a very serious issue. This is a very 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 serious issue, friends. Just wake up. अगर अभी नहीं जागोगे तो कब जागोगे? Just wake up, friend. Wake up, my dear. Just wake up, my dear. Just do something for your life. Do something for the next generation. Do something for your mother. Do something for your father. You have to do something for the nation. You have to do something for the another generation. You have to work. Okay, my dear. So first thing, just make a aim, make a dream, then follow it. Just follow it. Just do follow it and just achieve it. This is the thing, friend. This is the message for you. Okay. So friends, as I said, just don't waste your time. Just make efforts, make your plans and progression in your that aim oriented field or the dream which you are going to achieve. Okay, so before we talk about the ingredients for getting success in multi-level marketing, you have to be very focusful for your aims and dreams. Just you have to set a big dream and set a big aim. Then only you can understand about the ingredients of network marketing, and then only you can get to know about what are the things and what are the things, literally what are the things or what are the ingredients to become successful in multi-level marketing. Okay, so after that, finally we will discuss about what are the ingredients which we need for multi-level marketing or for getting the success in multi-level marketing. So first, as I said, you have to be focusful and you have to be aim oriented for your dreams with full dedication, concentration and determination. So you have to be very, very, very much focusful for your dreams, for your aims, for your future aspirations, inspirations, determination, concentration and dedication. So you have to be very, 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 very dedicated for your next life, next future, and you have to be like a fighter. You have to just fight for the dreams. Okay, so you have to be very, very dedicated for your dreams, and you have to be serious for your dreams. You have to be serious for your dreams. So the very first ingredient is dreams. So what are the ingredients? Ingredient means if you are going to cook a very nice dish, you need some ingredients. Like example, if you need to cook biryani, then you need a special kind of rice, you need chicken, you need a kevda water or something, whatever the spices are. So मैं आपको यही बताना चाहता हूँ कि अगर बिरयानी बनाना चाहते हैं तो बिरयानी के लिए आपको स्पेशल टाइप का चावल भी चाहिए, आपको चिकन भी चाहिए, आपको मसाले भी चाहिए और आपको केवड़ा वाटर भी चाहिए, बहुत सारी चीजें चाहिए. यू नीड मेनी थिंग्स. दीज आर द इंग्रेडिएंट्स विच यू नीड टू कुक बिरयानी. सो सेम some ingredients are there. With those ingredients you can become successful in this network marketing field. So what are the ingredients? The very first ingredient, very first ingredient is dreams. If you doesn't have dream, you can't reach anywhere. See, people doesn't work, but dreams works and purpose works. So you have to set a dream with respect to your purpose, and then you have to work for it. So very first thing, make a diary, make a dream chart, make a dream list, make a copy or register, then make a points. That's write down these points and make the note of it, and just write down all the dreams of your life. What are the dreams of your life? Either you want to earn a plenty of money, even you can write there you want to visit Maldives, Dubai or Switzerland, or if you have a sufficient time for your family, or you need a time freedom, you need a money freedom, or you want to become a celebrity, or anything. If you need a house, you need a bike, you need a car, anything could be there. So you have to write down all the dreams of your life. So first ingredient is dream, and for that dream you have to work, and for working we need certain points. So I have 10 points for you all, so we will discuss it one by one. So for fulfillment of your dreams, you have to go through all these 10 points, and you have to face all these points. So what are the points and what are the ingredients for become successful? So let us discuss. So first thing is patience. Just have patience. Everybody has its right time and correct source. So from the correct source, correct time, you will get success in your life. Okay. So this video is specially dedicated for Naveen, my friend, and for his guidance and for his request, I am making this video. So I hope Naveen is watching me. And Naveen is a very aimful person, and he's a very ambitious person. His age is only 18 or 19 years old, but he really wants to become success in his life. So he have requested me to create these videos about network marketing. So what are the values and ethics of network marketing? I have already posted, Naveen, you can watch it there. And second video which I am right now posting, the topic is the ingredients for success in multi-level marketing. So I hope you watched all these videos and do comment below. So I am requesting to all my viewers or all my teammates, if you are watching this video, just do comment in the down section below, so that I can get motivated with your likes and comments. And do like this video, do share this video, and do subscribe this video if you are watching this, and share this video to your friends, your mates, your office colleagues, so that they can get the knowledge about what are the ingredients We need to get success in this present COVID situation or in this current time. So, friends, the first ingredient is patience. You have to be patientful. Success is not a destination, success is a journey. It's a journey of hardships, it's a journey of sacrifices, it's a journey of many problems, many situations, many degradations, many pathetic type of situations will come around in your life. So you have to cross all these situations. You have to be patientful, you have to be strong, you have to be strong by your mind, body, heart and soul, and then only you can create a success, create a change in your life. So first you have to be patient. Success you will not get in 1 day, 2 day, 1 year, 2 year or 3 years. Success is a long process. Success is a process of change, and getting change is a very difficult, because certain people have certain mindset, and for changing their mindset you have to take time takes time. So then only you can change your mind and change your livelihood or change your lifestyle. So first thing is patience. So be patientful, be patient, keep patience, and then definitely in 5 years, just give yourself 5 years. In 5 years you can change anything, you can create anything. This is the thing. So just be patientful. So second option is upgradation. So you have to upgrade your mind, you have to upgrade yourself. So you have to upgrade your mind and you have to upgrade yourself always, ever and forever, because upgradation is the thing. See, a tree is also upgrading itself. A small baby, a small kid is also upgrading itself. So upgradation is necessary. Change is necessary. Change is only the constant. Change is the only constant which is keep on changing and keep on changing and keep on upgrading. Everything is changing. Your house is also changing. Your age is also changing. Your study is also changing. Your success is also changing. Everything. Your offices are also changing. Your salary pay slip is also changing day by day. So everything depends upon upgrading. So upgrade your knowledge, upgrade your skills, upgrade your speaking skills. See, I am also very poor in English. My grammatical mistakes are there. I don't know English as well. Many people have said me that your English is very poor, but no worries. My emotions are there, my feelings are there, and I know my viewers who are watching, they can connect with me, because wordings and speaking is always attached with the feelings and emotions of the viewer or the speaker. So my English is not also good, but I'm learning. I'm also learning. I'm keep on learning things. My English is not very good, not up to that mark, but still I'm learning. I'm also in a learning phase. So if I am working on myself, if I am working on my speaking skills, on my mindset, somebody has requested me to create this video, to make this video. So that's why I'm creating this video. So that's why I'm telling this AWPL school channel is very important. Just subscribe it and just like, share and subscribe it, and do one thing, just make a note, make a register, and which I am saying, just write down all the important points. So second thing is upgradation. So keep on upgrading yourself, keep on upgrading your mind, your strategies, your speaking skills, your meditation, your everything you have to update and upgrade. Your phone is also updating, yaar. Your application is also asking for the upgradation or upgrading. So why your phone is updated, your phone is up to date, your application is up to date, you have to keep it up to date. Notification is always coming that update your this application, update your WhatsApp, update your Facebook, update your Instagram. So why you are not updating your mind? Why you are not updating your speaking skills? So you have to be also updated. Getting my point? Okay. So next point is, for network marketers, plan should be his first priority, nothing else. So if you are in a network marketing field, you will get rejections. You will get rejection. You have to face the no. So no has a full form. If you are facing this no, if somebody says no, if somebody says no, so no has its own meaning. N-O, no. No means next opportunity. N-O, no. No means next opportunity. Let's go to someone else. He is not only the one person on this planet Earth. Many persons are there. So, for network marketers, plan should be your first priority. You have to show as much as plan you can. You have to show as much as plan you know, and you have to show many too many plans to someone. And your plan should be the first priority. If you are getting rejection, that is fine. If you are getting no, that is fine. After facing the rejections, after facing the no, your speaking skill, your plan will get better and better, far much better from before. So this is the thing. So you have to show many too many plans, and then only you can get success in a very easy manner. So guys, just show as much as plan you can. By showing plans and plans and plans, you'll get better day by day. So after that, you should have a purpose in your life. As I said before, you should have a purpose in your life. Why you are on this earth? What is the work for you? What are the aims and dreams of your life? You have to set a purpose. You have to set a certain purpose in your life. Then only you can become successful. Okay, my dear friend. So it's my humble request, just set a purpose, set a goal in your life, and just work for it and just achieve it in any cost. So after that, as I said, you have to face rejections. So don't be negative and just don't be depressed and just don't be in a depression with this word rejection. You will get rejection. Rejections are the part of life. Rejections are the part of this entity. Rejections is the nature and birth of success. Rejections are the pebble stones for success. Rejections are the first step towards success. Rejections are the part of our life, and you have to face rejection. Just get the rejection, wear it like a crown, and just get the success. This is the thought, and this is a very true. So I have also get rejected from many jobs. I have also get rejected for my plan showings, but I'm getting success. So rejections are the part of life, my friend. So you have to get rejected for getting the ultimate success in your life. So just face the rejections and just go through it and just work hard, study and work hard. Then destiny and the fate will also support you for reach towards your success. So just face rejections as much as you can. You will get rejection, but as well as you will get the success too. So just face the rejections. Don't get depressed. Don't be negative. Don't be see, many successful persons get rejected and they have get failure as well. Elon Musk is there. He have also blasted his 3 or 4 spacecrafts. Then afterwards, in the third time or fourth time, in a series, he have get failure. In a series, he have get a failure from his spacecrafts. But after fourth or fifth time, he have created successfully, and he is a successful person, and he is a billionaire. He is a top 3 ranked billionaire on this planet Earth. Many peoples are there. Thomas Alva Edison, he have get failed, he have get rejected. Not rejected, it's not a rejection, but yeah, you can say the rejection by this nature, or rejection by his work or his development or his research. So he have also get rejections from his work. He have failed 9,999 times. And after 9,999 times, he have discovered that 9,999 processes are there by which we can't create a bulb. But yes, the 10,000 times he have developed a tungsten wire, and he have created this electricity, and he have created that bulb which we are using right now. So if Edison can do it, if Nikola Tesla can do it, If Elon Musk can do this, if Mark Zuckerberg, Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, if they can do it, why can't we? We will get rejections. We will definitely get rejection. You will also get rejection. I have also get rejected, but we will get success too. Just work for the dreams, work for the aim, and work for the purpose. Okay, my dear. Okay. After that, you have to face some setbacks as well. So you have to face some setbacks. Like something will be there, like sad moments will come around, many problems will come around in your life, many problems will be there, many circumstances, many situations will be there, like your family will not support you, your father mother will not support you, your wife, your friends will not there for your help and support. Many times you will get many setbacks. You'll get failure in your business, you'll get failure in your studies, you'll get failure in the path of success, you'll get too many failures, or you can say the setbacks. If you face that setback moment in your life like a tiger, like a tigress, then definitely success is waiting for you. So my dear friend, just don't get demotivated. Always be chilled, always be full of happiness, always be strong with your heart and mind. Just be strong with your heart and mind, and just work for the success. Setback will definitely come around in your life. Many persons, they don't have the nice job, many persons, they don't have the nice salary, they don't have the house, even they don't have any house for living, they don't have their mother father with them. I'm also going through a setback. My father have died on 20th of May. 20th of May is a very critical situation in my life. On 20th May, my father died because of COVID-19. Due to corona, my father have lost his life. I'm also going through a sad situation. I'm also going through a very bad moment. But still I'm inspired. Why? Because so that I can inspire someone, so that I can motivate someone to do a very great thing in their life. So it's my humble request to everyone, just don't waste your time in making bullshit type of videos, or playing PUBG or Free Fire, or just wasting your time on weird or creepy type of person. Just use your time, utilize your time and money on some good things. India is going through a very bad situation. India is going through a very bad condition. And in this bad situation, in this bad condition, only one thing who can create India work alive, that is network marketing, that is multi-level marketing. Because in this platform, everyone is working for everyone, and everyone is putting their efforts for everyone. So everyone can get money, everyone can get success, everyone is working for everyone's success, and everyone is getting succeeded in this field. So this is the value of network marketing, and that's why network marketing is a very great business in these days. So Federation of Direct Selling Association and Indian Direct Selling Association is working all together so that network marketing's future could grow a very nice sky high type of thing in India. So just join this network marketing, guys. Just join this network marketing field and just get the knowledge. And that's why I am telling what are the ingredients by which you can get success in multi-level marketing. So these are the ingredients, guys. You have to be patientful. You have to keep on upgrading yourself. You have to show as much as plan you can, and just having a purpose and dream in your life. You have to face rejections. You have to face setbacks in your life. You'll get setbacks. You will be sad sometimes. You will be cry sometime. But just don't cry for a long. Just don't get sad for a long time, because nobody will give a damn for your sadness or crying. Just work for your success and work for your life. Okay, my dear. So after that, you have to, sixth point is you have to face setbacks. And then seventh point is you have to face negativity. You have to face negativity. You will get negative sometime. You will get negative sometime. You'll be get demotivated sometime. Just face the negativity and just go around. You have all the rights to get negative thoughts in your mind. So see, I'm also get negative impact. I have also get some negative thoughts in my mind, but I just bypass it. I just do a bypass surgery for it and just bypass the all the negative things. You will also get negative things, negative people in your life, negative problems in your life. Just bypass all the negative things and just keep only the positive things and go around. Okay, my dear friend. Then afterwards, eighth point is facing the family related problems and ignorance of the people. So somebody will ignore you because your age is very less or your age is very high. People will not gonna listen to your words. People will not gonna take you seriously. But after some time, after some days, people will listen to you. People will listen to your all of the videos, and they will get to know that yeah, that person, he or she can create a change in my life. He or she can create me a successful person in my life. At that time, they will give you a value and they will give you a valuable person name or something else. So you have to face the family related problems and you have to face the ignorance of the people as well. So if you are like example, at the time of the invention of aeroplane, so Wright brothers are working on it. So the first step, second step, third step, fourth step are there. So when Wright brothers have decided to create an aeroplane, so many persons said them that is waste of time, waste of money. You can't create an aeroplane. Waste, totally waste. Time will be waste, money will be waste, your dreams is also waste, innovation is waste, totally waste. You are waste. Nothing is good. Your aeroplane won't fly. Everything is waste. Don't work on that project. And after creating that aeroplane, many person have ignored that. What bullshit is that? That plane will not fly. Ignore that. That plane will never fly. That is waste of time, waste of money. Total waste. Just ignore it and just do the household activities. So at the moment when the Wright brothers are come around and they have created that plane and they have tried a lot of time and investment and they have put in lots of money in that project, lots of investment, lots of time, lots of hard work, efforts to fly that aeroplane, but every person have rejected them, every person have make a fun of them, every person have ignored them. The very important thing, ignored them. But see, nowadays we all are using that aeroplane to go one place to another. If you have to go Andaman Nicobar, from Kolkata to Andaman Nicobar, then you have to take a flight. If you want to go to Dubai, you have to take a flight. If you want to go to Thailand, you have to take a flight. If you want to go to USA, you have to take a flight. If you want to go to London, then you have to take a flight. You want to go to Russia, anywhere, you have to take a flight or you have to take an aeroplane or you have to go to an airport. So at the first time of that invention, people are going to ignore, people are going to reject. But after that invention, everyone is flying like anything. So problems and rejections are the mother of invention, and invention is the mother of success. So these all things are connected. Are you getting my point, dear? So you have to face the family related problem and ignorance. Somebody will ignore you, somebody will not give a damn for you, somebody will not give a value. But you have to work on your dreams, you have to work for your dreams, and you have to get success in your life. Okay? So after ninth point is, don't be distracted by other meaningless things. Like as I already said, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, WhatsApp, any type of videos. Just don't go through all these videos. Just be aim oriented, just be focused for your life. Okay, so just don't be distracted by other meaningless things. Just be focusful, be serious for your dreams. So 10th point is be serious and be honest with your dreams and work. You have to be serious for your work, and if you are doing a work, your worship will be over, because we said work is worship. If you are doing work, no problem. अगर आप काम कर रहे हैं तो पूजा करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि कर्म ही पूजा है. शास्त्रों में लिखा हुआ है कर्म ही पूजा है. वर्क इज वर्शिप. इफ यू आर डूइंग अ वर्क, देन नथिंग हैव टू डू, जस्ट वर्क वर्क एंड वर्क. नो पूजा एंड नो दूजा. कोई पूजा करने की जरूरत नहीं है, कुछ दूजा करने की जरूरत नहीं है. जस्ट सिर्फ काम कीजिए. कर्म ही आपका पूजा है. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कह रहा कि तंत्र मंत्र और ये पूजा पाठ बंद कर दो. ऐसा नहीं है. पूजा कीजिए, जरूर कीजिए. मैं भी करता हूं. मेरा नाम तो ऋषि है. ऋषि लोग पूजा नहीं करते हैं तो क्या करते हैं बताइए. ठीक है. सो दोस्तों, आपको काम करना है, बहुत ज्यादा काम करना है. कुछ भी काम कीजिए. चाहे आप एक अच्छा सा मोटिवेशनल वीडियो बना लीजिए, एक छोटा सा क्लिप बना लीजिए. आप भी अपना एक यूट्यूब चैनल खोलिए. आप नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग में हैं तो आप स्टडी कीजिए, बुक पढ़िए, बहुत सारे मोटिवेटर्स को सुनिए, बहुत सारे स्टोरीज को सुनिए, लोगों के फेलियर्स के स्टोरीज को सुनिए. कुछ ना कुछ काम करते रहिए, क्योंकि काम ही पूजा है, कर्म ही पूजा है. वर्क इज वर्शिप. If you are doing work, nothing have to do. Just keep on work and just achieve your dreams and achieve the goals of your life. So you have to work hard and you have to work seriously for your life. Okay, my dear. So these are the points. So these are the ingredients which you need for your success. And again, I repeat it, like first you have to be patientful, then you have to keep on upgrading yourself. Then third, you have to show more and more plans. Then fourth thing is you have to set purpose in your life. Fifth thing is face the rejections. Rejections are the part of life. Just face the rejections. And then you have to face the setbacks of your life. Then you have to face the negative things. Then you have to face the family related problems and the ignorance of person. And then just don't be distracted by other meaningless things. Just be serious for your life. And then don't be unserious for your dreams. Just be serious for your dreams and work hard for it, because your dreams will work. And when your dreams will achieve, then आपका पड़ोस का बंदा, आपका भाई, आपका बहन, आपका चाचा ताऊ सब आपके पास आ जाएंगे. जब आप ड्रीम अचीव कर लोगे ना, ये सारे के सारे घूम के आ जाएंगे आपके पास. टेंशन लेने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी. बस आप एक बार सक्सेस हो जाओ. अभी जो लोग आपको छोड़ के जा रहे हैं जाने दो, बट एक बार आप सक्सेस हो जाओ. सक्सेस हो जाओगे, आपके मम्मी पापा चाचा ताऊ भाई बहन सब आ जाएंगे आपके पास. जब होगा आपके पास पैसा, ये लोग सब आ जाएंगे. एंड फिफ्थ और 10th थिंग, द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, दैट इज जस्ट बी ऑनेस्ट विद योर वर्क, बिकॉज वर्क इज वर्शिप. कर्म ही पूजा है. एंड आफ्टर दैट, जस्ट इन आफ्टर फ्यू मिनट्स, in last few minutes, I want to say you very special thing, that just have focus on learning new languages and just tracking, monitoring people of other states, religion and culture, so that you can understand them better and connect with them easily and make a nice common reputation. And just go through the emotion of the customer, and then just gain the trust, make the bonding, and then trust will make your business and team. See, if you know the new languages, if you are being a linguistic person, then it will be a very easier to do this business in a very nice way. So if you are learning new languages, then definitely that language will create a very easy thing in your life. So if you have the knowledge of new languages, like if you know the Telugu or Tamil or a Meerut wala Hindi or Haryana wala Hindi or Banaras wala Hindi. See, Hindi has many accents. बनारस का हिंदी अलग होता है, यूपी का हिंदी अलग होता है, मेरठ का हिंदी अलग है, हरियाणा का हिंदी अलग है. लेकिन ये सारे हिंदी के भाषा शैली पे अगर आप काम कर जाओगे तो आपको लोगों को ज्वाइन कराना बहुत ईजी हो जाएगा. इट विल क्रिएट अ बूम इन योर नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग, बिकॉज इफ यू नो द 5 or 6 वेराइटीज ऑफ हिंदी और 3 or 4 टाइप ऑफ वेराइटीज इन बंगाली और उड़िया लैंग्वेज, देन it will create a relation and bonding in between customer and you. देखिए दोस्तों, मैं आपको एक चीज बताता हूं. अगर आपका एक दुकान है, दुकान में सिर्फ आप सामान को बेच रहे हैं, खरीद रहे हैं, ये नहीं होता है. दुकान में आप रिलेशनशिप क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, और वो रिलेशनशिप तभी क्रिएट हो सकता है जब आप उसके भाषा में बात करें, जब आप उसको हैप्पीनेस दें. जब आप दूसरों को हैप्पीनेस देंगे, उसके भाषा में बात करेंगे, तभी वो कस्टमर आपके साथ जुड़ेगा और वो रिलेशन बनाएगा, और जब वो जुड़ेगा, रिलेशन बनाएगा, तभी आपके दुकान में वो बार बार खरीदने आएगा, वो दूसरे के दुकान को छोड़ के आपके पास आएगा वो सामान खरीदने. सो दैट इज द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग विद दिस नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग एज वेल. अगर आपके पास, if you have a knowledge of speaking skills, if you have a knowledge of linguistic, and if you are a linguistic person, then it will create a common repo. Common repo means the feelings and the emotions of the customer and this business owner. So अगर आप relationship build कर लेते हैं तो आपके लिए business बहुत easy हो जाएगा. So as I said, so that you can understand them better and connect with them easily, so that you can make a nice common repo. So go through the emotions of the customer, what they need, what they want. Just talk with them in their language, and then they will create a trust, and trust have a very great and very nice relationship with business. Trust equals to business, and business equals to trust. जहां ट्रस्ट है वहीं बिजनेस है, जहां बिजनेस है वहां ट्रस्ट है, और ट्रस्ट और बिजनेस का बहुत पुराना गहरा रिश्ता है. सो गेन द ट्रस्ट, मेक द बॉन्डिंग, एंड देन ट्रस्ट विल मेक योर बिजनेस एंड टीम. सो दैट्स इट for the day. So if you like this video, then share this video to your friends and family mates and with your teammates. So this is Rishi signing off. Just like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, that's AWPL School channel, and just share this video to everyone. So I hope you like this video, and do comment. Your comment will motivate me and your like will motivate me. Just do subscribe, share and like. Thank you. Wish you all the best, and go Diamond. All the best.